According to Kuo, 3 reasons will prevent successful sales of iPhone SE2 novelties. Apple will have to fight for a share of the smartphone market, the saturation of which continues to grow. This is especially true in the USA and Europe, where users prefer to use purchased models longer than in other regions. The competition from Android smartphone makers is now stronger than ever. In particular, they will soon introduce a relatively affordable line of Google Pixel 4a. Finally, the iPhone SE2 is not as compact as the original model. When creating a new product, they will take a 4.7-inch iPhone 8 as a basis. This can scare away buyers who wanted to buy a compact gadget. What is known about the iPhone SE2? According to previous leaks, the iPhone SE will be based on the Apple A13 Bionic processor, the same as the new iPhone 11. Models attribute 3 GB of RAM and a 64 GB drive without expandability. Unique smartphone with 2 screens. LG G8 Think Dual Screen entered the global market. Otherwise, the gadget will be identical to the iPhone 8. It will receive a 4.7-inch LCD display and a home button with an integrated Touch ID fingerprint scanner. The back panel will be made of tempered glass. The smartphone will receive a single main camera, the characteristics of which are still unknown. The iPhone SE2 is expected to support 1.8W wireless charging.